Morning peeps, I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to Friday, another score on. Last one for the big ones, and then Easter holiday starts. Chloe's doesn't start until after Tuesday next week, but not to worry. Horrible weather, it's raining. I'm glad it's Friday. I think Rachel's very pleased it's Friday after the couple of days she's had at work. And yeah, no energy. I was just thinking to myself before I started to vlog, I thought, oh, all I seem to do is moan about something. But I could have fell back to sleep on that sofa this morning. Keep my eyes open. Is anyone else struggling lately? Anyway, all the kids are in the car waiting to go. We're just waiting on this one. Shirley. Come on, Shirley. No, you like your mum. They don't rush. They take after Rach, whereas I'm always, if I've got to be somewhere, I'm always early. I don't know about you guys, but like Rach, even for a job interview, say if a job interview was at 9 o'clock, probably get there at 9, dead on, or even a minute late or two. Whereas I'd be there like 10-15 minutes early. Shirley's the same. Well, in fact, they're all pretty much the same. Liam's a bit like that. He's that laid back, isn't he? But yeah.
Do you know where my shoes are?
No, I don't wear your shoes. I would say they're in the shoe cupboard thing, which is another thing we need, because that's buzzed as well. I bet they are in there. Yeah. See? Not hard, is it?
Well, I can't even get...
Yeah, Rachel's going into work early again today as well. She's got to go for 11 because she's got a meeting. And then she starts at 1. She said, but by the time the meeting's over, it won't be worth coming home. So we won't see Rach until, what, 6? Just after. Say good morning, everyone else. Morning. Friday, Lee. Anyway, let's sing it, Lee. You're the only one that sings it with me. It's Friday, everyone loves Friday. John? No. That's for you.
No, I need a hair brush. I got one.
Oh, you're having a laugh?
No, there's one in my bedroom.
I'll have to help her because the door's dodgy.
Okay. Sorry.
For everyone else, it's Friday again.
Well, I don't
Saturday, Sunday. What? Nice little surprise this morning. Got back from the school run and I was on the phone to my mum, and then Rach brought me a bacon and egg bap. Oh, she bought some rolls from Tesco and made me that. Well, all of us. It was very nice. Loved it. Very nice. Problem is, Rachel's been in the kitchen. There's pots everywhere. No, it's not. She said to me, she said, there's pots everywhere, by the way. I said, don't worry, I'll clean it. But to be fair, it's not as bad as what she's making out. But yeah, she made it, so I'll wash them. That's fine. But like I said, it was good. And the crew are doing well. All the kids have gone off to school okay. I've got a thing with Chloe after school for an Easter egg hunt at school. So we've got to buy a ticket. I went to get one this morning, but they must be selling them this afternoon when you get there. So yeah, she's got that. Rachel will be off to work shortly. Other than that, me and Lacey are going to get on with some bits and bobs. Last day of homeschool for Lace, so she can sort of be a bit more relaxed today. It will. Yeah, general cleaning up. You know how it goes, guys. But I hope you have a brilliant Friday and a great weekend ahead. This feels very odd, ringing Rach at this time. Why is that doing that? I know you've undone your seatbelt though, but... Ah, there you go. Bye, Dad. Have a nice day. Yeah, at least it is Friday. Right, and Lace, are we ready?
Oh, I look ginger.
You haven't got a lot to say today, Lace? Busy, isn't it, today? Friday, isn't it? Friday. 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 to yourself? No. Yeah? Why not? I do. As nice as that egg and bacon roll was earlier, guys, I'm going to have some Rennies. I've got heartburn, it's giving me heartburn bad. Let's see if we've got any left, actually. Oh, here they are. Luckily for me, 2 left. They're horrible, though, these, aren't they? Chalky and horrible. I could have sworn you used to better get chewy ones of these. Afternoon, my lovelies. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great Friday afternoon. Well, I'll be going soon. I've had nothing to vlog at all, guys, throughout the day. But yeah, I'll be going soon on the school run, and others going to be walking home because Chloe's got this Easter egg hunt after school. So by the time she's finished, there's no point in the others waiting. They're going to walk home, so... I and Lacey don't want to come, so she's going to be meeting to come back with them, so, which is fair enough, because it feels uncomfortable, she said, so that's fair enough, isn't it, Wap? Say hello to Wap, everyone. You haven't said hello to Wap to say. Say hello. And say hello, Wap. Hmm? You're not saying hello to him, he's upset. And you, Mai. And you, Mai. Yes. So yeah, that's it. Here we go then. Gonna get Chloe, but I won't be able to vlog, guys, obviously. Too many kids about, but I'll show you her egg afterwards. That's if they're still doing it. That's it, we're out, aren't we? Liam's on his way home. He's not happy because he's got to walk, isn't he? Yeah, he's rang. He rang me to see where we are, but we're only just leaving. He'll be nearly home. Plus, we've got to go in Tesco's yet, haven't we? Mm. So she got some little Easter eggs. You could collect up to 5, I think it was. And then she got a hot dog, didn't you?
Dad, I probably know.
Let's have a look at you. Hold your hot dog up.
I know why we got little Easter eggs.
Why?
Because I don't want the don't want to spend all their money on big.
Yeah, it costs a lot of money though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I get home, boy.
Tap?
I don't know.
Stop.
We've been home a little while now, haven't we, Chloe? And I was going to vlog, and then Rach rang me from work, so I've been on the phone to Rach. But yeah, I was going to speak to Liam and that, but I don't know where Liam's gone now. He's gone. They've had the tea. Oh, what you got? I thought, didn't you want bagel? I thought you was going to have noodle.
I did, it was disgusting.
I also
Them noodles are not spicy, they're like mushrooms.
Have you washed all your stuff up?
Yeah.
What you got?
I also had that.
You got? Why didn't you have bagels?
I didn't want a bagel.
Oh, I bought them especially for you. I thought you liked them.
I'll have a bagel tomorrow.
I don't like white.
Or later if I'm hungry.
Yeah, but you normally still like them. I've seen you have them.
I prefer seafood.
I can't win. Anyway, how was your day, Soph?
Boring.
No. Anything exciting happened today?
No.
No.
No, just boring.
Oh, you bet you're glad it's half term, aren't you?
Yeah, because you can't be bothered with school anymore. Also,
You haven't got long left now, though, have you?
no, I had actually I have something to tell you. I had pictures today.
You didn't have a year photo, though,
No,
did you?
it was meant to have the year photo, but it was raining, so they cancelled it. So we got it.
Because they have it outside, don't they?
Yeah,
they always have done.
Outside the actual front, because it has the name of the school, doesn't it?
Yeah, they've always done that.
And then yeah, they're in the hallway thing, in the corridor, whatever it is. And then
There's mine on there from 1999.
to have a look tomorrow, not tomorrow, whenever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After the holidays now.
That's if I remember.
You won't remember.
No. But
I won't remember tomorrow, so.
But we had them.
Let alone 2 weeks.
Individual photos.
Oh, you had it done, did
I
you?
don't like my photo taken.
Is that what you meant when you sent me a text message saying you felt uncomfortable? Oh.
No.
I can vlog you again now. I was coming to vlog you before, and then Mum rang. How was your day?
Okay.
Are you glad it's holidays now?
Yeah.
Any plans for the holidays? You going out anywhere?
Don't know.
You'll be in and out on your bike. You want your hammy? You'll be in and out, won't you? I'll sync on your bike. Oh, I'm glad it's Friday.
Siri says you don't understand.
What, your Siri's going off?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Yours is always going off.
It's dodgy. I think it's because stuff standing on the phone.
Did you get any eggs, Easter eggs or sweeties from school?
No, nothing.
Tight, aren't they? Oh, nothing to tell me then, Lee.
Had a test in French.
Oh, did you? I bet you did well.
I got 25 out of 40.
Oh.
It's terrible.
Oh.
Someone got 38.
Did they?
I'm not already bothered with French though.
I know, but the only reason I say is because normally you get these things through the post, don't you, saying how good, when we had that email about it, didn't we?
Everyone gets them though. Some people need like 10 or something.
Oh, do they? Oh. Oh, well, that's that then. Just wait now then till I pick your mum up. That's it. Rach is home, so the holidays can begin. Let's just hope she doesn't get called in, because she could do. It's like on standby just in case, because there's a couple of people in, and obviously if they go off, she'll have to go in. You right, Shell? Yeah. Good. 10 to 9, Friday evening. Rach said we're staying up. Doesn't look like it's happening. Did I turn that light off from there? I did. Right, we'll say night to the kiddos, guys, and that'll be that. Hope you've had a good one. Good night, Shellen. Bye. Good night. Love ya. Love ya.
No, love you.
Well, we meet again, Liam. Hey, it's asleep. That was quick. Good night, Faker.
No,
Love ya.
love you.
That's it then, folks. We'll see you tomorrow for Saturday. Big clean day, I reckon. Have a great one. Take care. Peace out.